to write text. Maybe this is the text. This is the text. Let's go here. And we have way we can use. We can use either type on this A here to use, or we can still come and tap on our plus sign there. Then we can get it. Let's say if you type A, it will come like this. Then you can add text. You can type mass like this, and it will come. And you come and type on what? Maybe the plus sign top there like this. You see text is there. You can type and it will come. Then after this, you have to come and type what? Edit. So let's type edit here. You see. Then let's say we write your name. Maybe let's say Matthew. So when you are done with Matthew, you see there is an OK here. Then you can go and type OK. So, but let's do something here. After typing the Matthew, we want to change. Maybe we want all to be in capital letters, but we didn't type here and made the N right. That means we have two ways we can make it capital. We can type here. Then let's say when you type here like this and write Matthew, it should be in capital like this. Yeah. So we can. But if after typing you didn't do it that way, you want to change it now, you can come and type what? This. Yeah. This T small and T big there. Like that. So then from here, when you type on it, like you see it has changed to capital. Right. Then you're okay. Then when you come here, maybe this is not how we want the font to be. That's the right type. We don't want it to be this way. You can now check your toolbar here. Toolbar here. Sorry. And you're going to see font, which is the AB font. Then you type on it. There will be a lot of fonts. That's the default font for what? PixelLab. They will be here plenty. They will be here plenty like this. Sorry. So you can choose any of them. Let's say when we choose this, you see the font changes. When you choose this, it changes. So let's say maybe we want this. So you check through the one you love. You choose. You see, maybe like Matthew. So that's it. Then let's say we want to write a different text. We can copy, or we want to write a different text with the same font. So you copy and come and edit. Maybe let's say Solomon. See, it's the same font that we use. But if you want to change the color of it, and come here, just scroll the tool, but you see color. Then you type on color like this. Then you can change. Let's say we can use blue. Since the background is blue, you can use blue. So let's say we use a different color like this. Just type on any color you want to see. So let's say we use this for blue. After this, let's say we want to write a different text, or want to write a different text but not the same font. You can still copy this. Now come edit. So let's say we want to write Derek. Like this. Then you see it's the same font and the same color as Solomon, but maybe we want to change the color. We can come here. Let's say we scroll through our display. We come and see color. Color is here. We'll type on color. Scroll top. Choose a different color. Maybe let's say we choose black, or we don't want the black. Let's choose a different one. I can choose green. So here, but I want to change the font again. So look for your AB. So scroll through here. Scroll through. Let's say we want to use this. No, we don't want. We want this one. So we see. Then okay. You see the font. You see. Yeah. So let's say me, I want to bring a different text inside. But you can just come here, copy another word, any of the text. Let's say I'm writing Linus the designer. So I write something like, you see, it has given me the same font as Solomon and Matthew, but I want to change maybe the font again. So let me go to my AB. So you see, there are a lot of fonts that you can get. This one, I will show you how to import them. So this one has my personal font I downloaded. So let's say I want to use a different font here. So I'll type here. You see, it has changed. So maybe I want this, it has changed. This one, you see the way it has come. Then you can type here to see. So I'll come and type OK. So meaning the fonts, no, there are a lot. There are a lot of fonts. There are a lot of fonts that you can download. So I'll show you how to download and do that one. So that's it. So let's say maybe I want to change the color to black. See the black color like this. So that's how you can maybe change font and this yeah, maybe you write and change font on a birthday flyer or any flyer. Maybe I want the font, I want to reduce the size of the font. You see there is size here. There is size here. So you can come there and type on what size. Type size. See, can increase it, reduce, increase to any size you want. So let's say I want to increase this to a size of like this, but if I increase it, it will not be seen. Meaning then I have to reduce it like this. Then come here. You see, I've broken it into two. So I'll be able to increase the size to maybe 100 or how I want it. You see, still I can increase this to go. You see, so that's how to increase the size and maybe the small whatever you want, like that. So all right, still you can now joke with your text here. Maybe I want this text to go at the back of Solomon Matthew and whatever. Can just come and type here back and to be back. So let's come and see. Come and use this. Let's use this to see where this one is. So you see what I'm talking about. This one is back. But Matthew was the first one we wrote, so Matthew should be back. But this one is back. But when you come and type on the front, you see this one will come in front when you type here front. See, yeah. So there are a lot that you can still do with your text here. So let's say this one is so close to you, but we want to push it so that it will also come here so that the size will not be. Sometimes you write with some text and to be closer that you can. So you just come here and look for padding, which is this one. So when you type on it, let's say you have left and right. So your left and your right. So let's say when you are reducing to the left, you see this one has gone. But when you are bringing it like this, you see the way it's going. You see the way it's going. So if you write some text and some part is not showing like this, then all right. Still, there are a lot. So if you want to add texture to maybe to this text, maybe you want to, you see that they have added a picture to a text or something like that. Just come here. You are going to see texture here. Texture. Then you type on it, it will come. Then you type on what is just by the side here like this. To open, maybe you want to use this a different image or maybe some image on the text. I want to use this same image again. So I type, crop it to the part maybe or what you want it to show. Maybe I want here to show. Just type here. You see the way it has come. Yeah. So and that's it. That's it. How to just manipulate text here. But there are a lot. So still, as we learn going on, we are going to deal with that too. So that's how to add texture. Maybe we want to reduce maybe opacity. Opacity is reducing the brightness of the thing. So let's say right now we are down. We don't want the texture, but we want this one to be low so that no one will see the color or something like that. Or how you just scroll through your this thing, your toolbar, and look for opacity. This opacity. If you are not seeing this opacity, type on it, reduce it. You see, when you reduce it, it has vanished like nothing is there. But when it's here, you see it will be there, but it will not be clear like this ones. So that's it. So still continuing, you can just be there and be manipulating text. Maybe you want to bold it. You want to add bold, you can type here to be bold. You see how it is. Then when you type on it again, maybe you type here, it will go. But you type on this. You want to italize it. You see, you can type on it, it will go. You want to underline it like this, it will underline. When you type here, it will not. So that's how to manipulate to do this one. We want to add a background to it, but we don't want to import a shape. We can just type here background on it and to have a background. So you can change it to have colors. You can change it like that. So maybe you want to align. Maybe this text, how we break it into two, they should be in the middle, or one should be in the middle. So maybe middle alignment or center. So this one is what already at the what is it left alignment. But you want to change it to right alignment, you can type here, see the right. You want to take in middle, you can type here to be in the middle like this. So maybe justify to, so all of them should be equal. That's it. So this one spacing, with the space between your text, you want to increase it, you can use this one. You see the spacing will be like this. Yes. So maybe the space between the top and the down one, you want it to go closer, you can use this one. You see the way it is. Yeah, the way this one. That's this line spacing. You want to reduce it like this, you can do. Yeah, so that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and for YouTube to also push this account so that we'll get more views and things. Thank you for watching.